Hi everyone, welcome back. Lastly, we were talking about this face detector unit, and in here we already talked about the detect function, but we missed something. So I want to mention that in this video, which is about the landmarks, we already talked about in the code part from the this how to draw basically the rectangle. For example, from the first image. Okay, this is my image, and we only talk about the detecting the face. Also, we have multiple faces, and we talk about this also. But we missed something, which is about the landmarks. Also, this is not only giving us the face rectangle and the detected face, it also gives us some landmarks of the face. For example, you see in here the eyes are detected, the nose is detected, and the mouth left and the right side are detected accordingly. So okay, it's not a detailed landmarks like there are other landmark detection which is giving many points around the face, but this is only giving 5. But in some cases this is also useful, and I missed that in the previous video, so I want to talk about these landmarks. Actually in here is represented, it's defined accordingly this math. The output math is given accordingly the right eye, left eye, and nose, and the mouth corners accordingly it continues. Okay, and first of all, to see that we were basically just reading the image, and we were setting the network size, and we were detecting the faces. But in the for loop also we were just drawing the rectangle, the detected rectangles, and in here the faces maybe we can write to the console so we can see that before continue how it looks like. For example, okay, yes. So you see in here we already get we are already using this number and this number, which are the points of the rectangle, left top and the right bottom. So we were basically using this, and we were not using these following numbers, following points, which is representing the landmarks. So basically we can call the circle function for each landmarks and just putting the image as input and the center point. So we already learned about this function, this circle function. We can simply just calling point, and the faces is continue respectively. So this is gonna be the first, and this is gonna be the second point, the 4 and the 5. I think this is gonna be representing the which is in here right eye. It's gonna give me the right eye I'm expecting. And after that we are just giving the radius. Maybe we can give 5, and color we can make it maybe just yellow again, and thickness, let's say just field. There is something field here, maybe it's gonna work. And let's run first of all this how it looks like. You see now this is the right eye, so it's we already put the circle, we draw the circle which is representing the right eye of the face. So basically we can continue in the similar logic for the following other 5 landmarks, totally 5. So this is gonna be 5, 7, 11, and 13. So also 5, 6, and 8, and 10, and 12. Something wrong for 5. Okay, this is I missed 6, 8, 10, and 12. Here gonna be 7, 9, 11, 11, and the 13. Also it says the last one is the face score. Do we see that in here? Yeah, this is the face score. So 92% is clear. This is a face, so it's giving you the score of the detected faces also. Okay, so we can continue, we can run this code, just run it, and how it looks like. Now you see the left right eye, so even little missing, but it's almost giving the correct position, and the nose, and also we see the left and the right corner of the mouth. We can also try this with the multiple faces, how it looks like. And also you see for each face it gives correctly the landmarks. You can check all, and the difficult image which we tried in the previous video. Also you see in here I cannot say because the images which is not frontal, for example, some is not frontal, and these are not easy to position the landmarks, but most of the case we can say it's correct. So this light image also, I will not talk about that again, we already discussed in the previous video. So I basically just noticed that I missed this feature which is giving the landmarks, also the face accuracy, the detected face accuracy, which is giving in the last parameter. We basically forgot about the talking about this, so I just wanted to mention that in this video. Thanks for watching, see you in the next videos.